Coronavirus has affected all parts of the economy, including the cattle markets. Montana Ag's Russell NEMETZ has more.
Well, just like other sectors of the U.S. economy, American agriculture has also been affected here of late because of the coronavirus. More specifically, its negative impact on U.S. livestock and commodity prices.
Coronavirus has been a big factor here in the last couple of weeks, and the correlation with the stock market, we've definitely seen a big impact on the livestock, particularly the cattle futures, and that has been a concern to people because we know we're going to continue to eat beef, but the psychological effects have been severe, and that's been a situation where a lot of selling has occurred. Basically, the markets do not like uncertainty.
Scott says before widespread panic and selling set in, there were some other market factors to consider in regards to the cattle market's sharp drop.
Cattle market had already started to see some problems prior to the last couple weeks when the stock market broke. We saw the fed cattle market at 124 back in January, and we'd already lost $5 by mid-February. And I think a lot of that was based on large production numbers. We're looking at probably record levels of beef production this year.
Andy says when it comes to any risk management advice for cattle producers, unfortunately, there aren't a whole lot of options.
It's a tough one right now, to be real honest with you, Russ. The old saying, after the horse is out of the barn door, it's a little hard to close the gate. And right now, the opportunities that were there a month, 2 months ago, obviously those opportunities are long gone. And it's hard right now because at these levels, these cattle will not make any money. And it sure can't suggest people sell the futures here. Options have gotten very expensive. And so for most people, it's kind of a case, like they say in the stock market, just ride it out and hope for the best.
In Billings, Russell NEMETZ, MTN News.
As for the coronavirus's impact on beef consumption, livestock economists say it could decrease demand for beef.